Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reboot and select a proper boot device. First, let's understand why these actions are important. A simple reboot can often fix minor software glitches or performance slowdowns, giving your system a fresh start. Knowing how to choose a boot device allows you to start your computer from an operating system installer, a recovery drive, or even a different hard drive, offering significant flexibility for troubleshooting or upgrades. Performing a standard reboot is straightforward. Always ensure all your documents and applications are saved and closed to prevent data loss. Then, navigate to your operating system's Start menu, locate the power options, and select Restart. This initiates a controlled shutdown and startup sequence. For a forced reboot, if your system is unresponsive, you can press and hold the physical power button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until the computer powers off completely. Then press it again to turn it back on. To access the boot menu or your system's BIOS or UEFI settings, you'll need to restart your computer. As soon as the screen goes black and before the operating system loads, repeatedly press the designated key. This key is often displayed briefly on the screen during startup, but common options include F2, F10, F12, the delete key, or the escape key. Consult your computer's manual or manufacturer's website if you are unsure which key to use for your specific model. Once you are in the boot menu, you will see a list of available bootable devices. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate up and down this list. Common options include your internal hard drive, a connected USB flash drive, or an optical drive if you have a DVD or CD inserted. Highlight the device you wish to boot from, for example, a USB drive containing an operating system installer, and then press the Enter key. Your computer will then attempt to start from the selected device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.